Hey everybody, so today we're replacing the cabin air filter in this 2006 Toyota Avalon. I got a Denso OE cabin air filter here. So what we'll do is set this aside and we'll go ahead and get the old one out. First thing you're gonna do is lower the glove box here, set aside any of these papers or things that'll fall out. The next step is there's a little screw right here. So we'll take a Phillips screwdriver and put it in here. We'll take this screw out. And this will release our glove box to be able to actually come out. So set that down, and then I'll put this up here so you can see me do it. And the next thing is just to go ahead. Next thing is go ahead and just pinch on the sides here until it drops down like that. Super easy. Keep track of this. This thing fell off. And then once you have the glove box down, you can see back in here where our little filter cover is. So there's two sides of this, pinch both sides, and then the filter cover will come off. You can see where our old filter is. Just go ahead and pull that out. Let's see how dirty it is. Ooh, top's pretty dirty. That's a lot of junk in there. That's the top side. That is where the air comes out of. You can see just how dirty that is, especially compared to our new one here. All right, so we'll take our new filter. It's a little bit confusing. The text upright is actually flowing the wrong way. The air in this unit is going to be going down from the top down to the bottom. So we'll flip our cabin air filter over so the text is upside down, and we will just slide the air filter in like that. Should have a nice clean fit, and then we will put our cover back on. Like that, and then we'll just button up the glove box here. We'll be all good to go. Thanks for watching.